Welcome back to the Learning Studio, your space to explore law, life, and learning in a simple and engaging way. In today's episode of our law series, we'll be discussing a deeply personal and socially important area of law, family law. And remember, you can follow the full journey of this law series through the playlist linked in the video description below. What happens when a marriage breaks down? Who gets custody of the children? How are inheritance disputes settled within families? And what legal rights do partners, parents, and children have? These are not just emotional issues, they're legal ones. And family law helps guide these moments with structure, sensitivity, and justice. What is family law? Family law is the branch of law that governs personal relationships, especially those involving marriage, divorce, child custody, adoption, domestic violence, and inheritance. Its primary goal is to protect the rights, responsibilities, and well-being of family members while balancing fairness and compassion. Unlike criminal or commercial law, family law deals with people's most intimate relationships, often during moments of conflict or crisis. Core areas of family law. Here are some of the main areas family law covers. Marriage and civil partnerships, legal requirements, rights and duties. Divorce and separation, division of property, spousal maintenance. Child custody and visitation, legal versus physical custody, visitation rights. Child support and maintenance, financial responsibilities. Adoption and guardianship, legal parenting through adoption. Domestic violence protection, restraining orders, legal safeguards. Inheritance and succession, how family property is passed on. Family law is often handled in family courts, where the aim is not punishment, but resolution and protection. Historically, family law was deeply tied to religion and tradition. In many societies, marriage and divorce were controlled by religious institutions, with little legal protection for women or children. But over the past century, secular legal systems have modernized family law to emphasize equality, human rights, and the best interest of the child. Today, it continues to evolve with changes in culture, gender roles, same-sex partnerships, and reproductive technology. Famous case study, India, Shah Bano case. In this landmark case, an elderly Muslim woman named Shah Bano was divorced by her husband and left without financial support. She filed a case under India's Criminal Procedure Code, and the court granted her maintenance. The decision sparked a nationwide debate about religious law versus constitutional rights, especially regarding women's rights in marriage and divorce. The case led to the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act, and it remains one of India's most debated legal and political moments. Why family law matters today. Family law shapes the most personal aspects of our lives. It ensures that children are protected and cared for, spouses are treated fairly during separation, domestic abuse is not tolerated, family assets are distributed legally and peacefully. People of all backgrounds have equal rights to love, marry, and build families. As societies become more diverse and complex, family law plays a crucial role in supporting both tradition and progress. What's next? Whether you're considering law, social work, psychology, or simply want to understand the legal side of personal life, family law is essential knowledge. In the next episodes, we'll dive deeper into inheritance law, child custody battles, spousal support, and explore how different countries treat family matters. You're watching The Learning Studio, and this is the Law Series, where we bring legal learning to life, one topic at a time.